Hi, Martin again for Let's Talk About Wood. And today I'm going to show you how to do a groove juice around a cutting board. My client asked me for that small groove. Normally, I don't do it in a regular cutting board that I'm selling. But this time, my problem is the cutting board is very big, and a regular jig that is being sold in store is not big enough for this. So I created that small jig that will let me do one corner at a time, and it's perfectly square using my door glue up jig that you can see in that video. Sorry, it's in French. And I will do one corner at a time. I am doing the job with my small DeWalt palm router. It's the model 611. It comes with two bays, a plunge base and a regular fixed base. The plunge one is not really adequate for this because it's not round on all the sides. So I decided to go with this base because it's a lot easier in the corner. A corner at a time, I have to take my time, and as soon as one corner is done, I will turn the board in order to do another corner. The bit I'm using is a round one. It's a small Cromson bit. By the way, it can be bought in whatever brand you want. I have a video about it. It's in French and it's in the corner right now. So one corner at a time, you have to go slow enough to make sure that you're doing a good job, but not too slow, because the speed of the rotor, the speed of the bit, can burn the wood. And this is not really a good thing. It's really difficult to sand that groove afterwards. So my third corner is done, and as you can see, I'm also connected to my Festool vacuum, and so I don't have a lot of chip everywhere. Going to do a clean job. I'm already on the fourth corner. Let's look at the work being done. Here it is, completely done. I'm really happy about it. Took me 2 hours to figure out exactly how I would do it and build my small jig. 8-inch long, 2-inch tall. Go with how you did your cutting board and look, the size, the brand of your router. Absolutely mandatory to make your jig depending on your router. So that's it. Hope you appreciate it. Thank you.